we are in a session that will not only enhance our understanding of business strategy but also help us to develop a structured approach to business planning. Now, I would like to invite Praveen ma'am to present our guest to the class. Aspiring entrepreneur, a business enthusiast, or someone who wants to gain strategic clarity, today's session will equip with practical knowledge, and who better to guide us than an expert with over a decade of experience in market research, business intelligence, and strategic insights. It is our great pleasure to welcome Ms. Yukti Mehra, a project manager, quad research at Sago, Gurgaon, with an extensive background in industry research, competitive analysis, and business modeling. She has successfully led multiple projects, mentored teams, and worked on developing business strategy for global clients. Her expertise in business analysis, market trends, and performance enhancement makes her the perfect resource person for today's session. So get ready to explore a game-changing tool that can help you visualize and refine your business strategies, the business model canvas. Please pay a huge round of applause for us. Ahead of the curve, what is that allows them to adapt, grow, and sustain? The answer lies in having a well-structured business model, and this is exactly where the business model canvas comes in. For those who might be new to it, the business canvas model developed by Alexander Osterwald is a visual framework that helps entrepreneurs and business understand, design, and reinvent their business models. It consists of 9 essential building blocks that provide a bird's eye view of how a business operates. Customer segments, who is your target audience? Value proposition, what unique value are you offering?
It's in the presentation. Everything is I'm Yukti, as you all know. You know that? Yes, that's lovely. Because I have also been a BBA student, I'm an MBA student and a data scientist as well. MBA करने के बाद I had no curations of doing data science, but when you work as a business manager for organizations and build their organizations, it's very important. So if you're looking at a career to build a business, not just your own, but somebody else's, then this is the career to be. And if people are just doing BBA for a degree, then also you can hear my session, because maybe you get inspired and think of your business. RSM is black. Black guy. Not you. Him. The one with black t-shirt. If you will put your headphones down, you will be able to understand.
He's not very good.
Chalo, okay, let's start. I'll ask questions also. This will be an interactive session. And my eyes are on you. Everywhere. So, as one of your colleagues, student friends mentioned that this is a business model Canva. So how many of you are thinking of starting their own businesses and come on Shark Tank for bootstraps or something like that? How many of you or most of you are looking for jobs? क्या करना चाहते हो लाइफ में? कुछ करना चाहते हो कि ये बात है कुछ नहीं? किस चीज़ का बिजनेस करना चाहते हो? Footwear. Do you have everything aligned? Please tell me what are the alignments required. Just not money now. Money पड़ा है आपको तो business. Settle it. I'm talking about people who want to be businessmen, develop themselves, and start their something from bootstrap. Not settled businesses, obviously, because that doesn't need a Canva setup. So we'll just have a little throw up. I've not prepared anything, so I'll be using my notes, obviously. So this is the business model. As she mentioned, it is being developed by Alexander Osterwald. He is a very renowned and spectacular entrepreneur who developed his strategies to mind his own business, and then he actually helped other people to develop too. Can you see the board? Well, I guess. If something is not clear, it will be clear on other websites. So what is a business model? It is a very powerful tool to visualize, analyze, and deliver structured manner. Whether you are a startup or a well-established business, this model can take you to wonders. You don't need even Shark Tank to sponsor you, if you can visualize this as. I work as a business manager, as I mentioned. I help private equity firms develop their businesses, same like Mr. Alexander did years ago. So this is the business model canvas. It's a strategic tool, as I just mentioned, okay? Also a comprehensive framework of 9 components which are interconnected with each other. So every component has a very crucial role in the business, and that is the reason why this model has been created. So it's a universal application which helps people to develop businesses, also settle them and make sure that they reach heights.
And we can use your keyboard as well.
These are the building blocks of BMC. If you see, यहाँ पे सिर्फ 5 है और मैंने को अभी बताया था कि there are 9 components. Why there are only 5? So the first thing is customer segments. Who are your target customers? For example, any business, please suggest any business if you guys can. Not the footwear business because that's the settled one, right? Any business that somebody would like to comment. Yeah, this is an interactive session. I am not talking to you. I am not your lecturer. So please communicate with me Hindi, English, any language which you are comfortable with. Any business that you suggest? Yes? Any business? Sorry? Bakery business. So who are your target customers? Maybe you are a baker, but there is a lot of organic demand of vegan cakes also, and probably you want to target them because you want to earn more money. So who are your customer segments? Value proposition. What problem do you solve? So if you are a baker, you are solving their problems by providing them vegan things, not providing them with the organic substances that are actually minded in the community. Third is channels. How do you reach your customers? Is it directly, indirectly, directly via their websites, indirectly reaching out word of mouth, or maybe channels which communicate more easier? मैं इस bakery से खाती हूँ, please communicate with them and you can just go ahead. Next is customer relationship. How do you interact? Just not selling a product can make you a business. You have to give after services also, like customer satisfaction forms. How was the taste? How was the smell? How representable it was? So that is important. Next is revenue streams. How does your business make money? Just not putting money will get you revenue. The ROI comes when you put a lot of efforts. So these 5 things work together. There can be, as I mentioned, the remaining term includes key resources, which includes assets. Assets could be anything. It could be your money, it could be infrastructure, it could be the equipment that is in the bakery. Key activities, what are the 4 tasks involved? Not in every businesses there are tasks, but when you hire somebody, that is a task. When you are getting business done from them, you will not make your cakes yourself. You need people. Key partnership, what are the strategic allies? Strategic allies are basically your connections. How good are you with making connections when you have a business in the market? And cost structure. So cost structure includes a lot of things. Payments, miscellaneous, raw material. How will we develop in the same? So this is the structure, and this structure actually removes you to a lot of community centers where you can build your business to. Any questions? Any questions? Yes, no, maybe. Yes, no, maybe. So this is the business model canvas which I have created. This is for examples, though we have already taken example of bakery, I will not waste a lot of time. But I will just let you know what are the key partners when it comes to your business. The investors. Then we have producers, filmmakers, anybody could be, even Amazon could be a key partner. Then we have key activities, recruiting users, maintaining platforms and applications, building brands, R&D and sales. I will not be reading it all to one. Value proposition, what kind of people we are looking for, 24/7 demand. Customer relationships, self-service, watch content on the road, anything to right now social media is the hero ingredient for any project, any business that you want to run. So if you have these with you, you can take and make wonders. Is that clear? So why we use the business model canvas? What is the reason behind it? Like businesses तो चली जाएंगे ना, canvas होगा नहीं होगा. मेरे पापा ने तो नहीं canvas पढ़ा था obviously, and he runs a very good business. But this generation, most of the organizations do a prenup. पैसे नहीं है, but business बनाना है. कैसे बनेगा business? By using the strategies that you have learned in your management courses. That is the reason you pursue management. इसलिए नहीं कि BBA की डिग्री होगी तो MBA कर सकता हूँ या कुछ और कर सकता हूँ. Most of them would also think about that. Clarity and simplicity. It provides a one-page overview of the entire business. Like if you have this handy, anyone of you have read strategic management here, BBA में? You have strategic management?
It is in 5th semester.
It's in 5th semester. So there is a very renowned author, Mr. Azhar Kazmi. You'll be reading him in your 5th semester. He gives a very big SWOT analysis of how business is run. Alexander has just developed it. Azhar Kazmi has taken into boundaries. So he explains the strategic alignment, ensures that all business aspects work together coherently. So if one aspect is not working, you won't succeed somewhere. Channels है, पैसा है, लेकिन customer नहीं आ रहा तो हम उस business का कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Flexibility and adaptability. Easily update as business develops over time. Flexibility है, you can put a lot of channels when it comes to variety of, for example, I'll take her example only bakery. अभी vegan बेच रही है, but she want to target the normal public as well. So she's baking other goods as well, like biscuits, cookies, chocolates. So that is flexibility and adaptability. You can add or reduce whatever you want. Better decision making. Identifying the SWOT, strength, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Business है, risk होगा ही obviously. पैसा डाल रहे हो सकता है ROI ना आए, हो सकता है आ भी जाए. So better decision making, it helps you. This is a very basic presentation that I have made. Better decision making can be further divided into many courses. Like there are so many new technologies that are Jira, waterfall models, which make you understand businesses कैसे work करते हैं. This is very basic because yes, you are right now pursuing your BBA. You will be learning more things, and it's just the beginning of your career. That's why. So business model canvas is essential for startups and established business to innovate, grow and sustain competitive advantage. This business model has a lot of advantages, most of the advantages, but every coin has two sides. If any of this falls apart, maybe the business can evaporate. So this is how it works. So I have actually got some examples for you. You can read here. I don't think it's visible. It's not even visible to me. I need to make sure that next time it's more visible. So I will just let you know how it works. So I have taken some examples and now I'll let you know how we can embed this. So for example, Airbnb. Customer segment कौन सी है? Couples, friends, tours, trips where you take a lot of people, families who like to cook their own food, people who are like using applications, managing through apps, websites. These are the customer segment. Value proposition is affordable and unique accommodation via app, streamlined management and extra income for people who have this Airbnb hotels. Revenue streams, commission booking through service and comprehensive apps for guests and hosts. And last is their impact. They've scaled to $100 million. This is not in rupees, this is in dollars. And they have increased 19%. Airbnb is very common nowadays. I don't know about Oyo because Oyo is not one of my examples. Because Oyo was mostly depleted. But Airbnb, somebody who likes to cook his own food, do his own chores, make sure that my girlfriend is secure and sitting with me, nobody is watching. Airbnb is the path. So Airbnb has secured a lot of channels out. Yes. Next is Uber. So Uber has been a revolution in the transportation. Be it Uber many others. Uber is on number one right now. It is riders and drivers. Somebody rides, somebody drives. Value proposition, convenient on demand, rides at convenient competitive prices. Revenue streams, commission on rides, search pricing. And key partnership, car owners, payment processes. And it has also been into 70 countries and is earning million on daily basis. We don't have the revenue figure because Tata, the annual report didn't contain anything. Though it's a public traded company, but their revenue is not mentioned. So this is how Uber has scaled. Uber has also used everything that I have just explained and my dear friend also explained Uber here. I think I can call you a friend, right? I don't know how to address you. So customer segments, value proposition, revenue streams, key partnerships. Contents, these are the primary things. The activities that we have explained, the last three should also come, but this has actually scaled the businesses. Then we have Netflix. Customer segment. कौन सी होती है customer segment Netflix की? I think everybody has a subscription of Netflix. Do you guys have? Yes. So who is the customer segment, guys? Sorry. Gen Z. Yeah, मैं भी देखती हूँ यार. I'm a millennial.
Mostly सभी
Movie TV lovers, right? Also people who content creators. Right now content creators are on demand. I would suggest you don't open a bakery business, go for influencer or content creator. A lot of money is there. Value proposition. Unlimited streaming, original content, convenience, revenue streams, subscription fees. They are earning a lot. I give them a lot of business, I know. I am a owner of 4 series, so I don't know why. Key partnership, content producers, studios, telecom companies. Why telecom companies? Because we are using Airtel, Jio, subscription इन्हीं से तो ले रहे हैं ना बिना SIM के कौन सी subscription? Over 250 million subscribers for Netflix, and I don't know what is this written, but I'll let you know their revenues in billions just for a business entity level, not on global level. So this is how Netflix has featured themselves. The e-commerce giant, सबके फोन में Amazon की वो ऐप होगा, you order something from Amazon, दे देते हैं सही से टाइम पे आ जाता है. Amazon sales कैसी होती हैं? अच्छी होती हैं, it's good. Money saving, पैसा बचाओ types? I don't think so, but it's good. Customer segments, online shoppers, sellers, businesses, third-party vendors. These people contact Amazon, though it's a commission-based program, but Amazon is the most featured application where people can sell anything and everything. Value proposition, convenience, fast delivery, don't agree. Vast product selection, because this presentation is not made by me. Revenue streams, product sales, subscriptions, like we have Prime, MX Player, which comes under Amazon only. Cloud services, advertisement. Amazon और क्या क्या provide करता है सिर्फ सामान के अलावा? Do you guys know? Amazon के और क्या क्या businesses हैं? Anybody knows? Prime तो मैंने बता दिया ना?
Payment.
Sorry. Payment is Amazon Pay. Okay. और very important, कभी job करनी हो, please apply in Amazon Web Services also. It's one of the largest telecom companies on Amazon. Pays the highest package, even to the babies. Key partnerships, sellers, logistic providers, content creators. $500 million till 2020 we have startup annual report. Operations in 100 plus countries, and Amazon has 200 million plus subscribers. कैसे हुए यार? Amazon को एक कंपनी थी, क्या कर दिया उन्होंने ऐसा जो बाकी कंपनीज नहीं कर पाई. There are so many applications on your phone. Z5. I use so many applications. I use Meesho also sometimes. Meesho, Amazon, Myntra. ऐसा क्या Amazon कर रही है कि it has 500 million plus dollars and other companies are not. They're lagging behind. They're competing with them because they have a proper customer segment, value proposition, revenue streams, and key partnerships. So if you're looking for a business, these are the core values that you need to indulge on. I will not stop here. This was just a slide. Yes, we will definitely address questions if footwear business has. I'll just give you a little review which I prepared while coming here, which is not in the slide obviously. So, customer segment was the first interconnected block in the Alexander's Kappa. Anybody who can give me any example for the highest, like सबसे ज़्यादा revenue generating organization का who are into the best customer segments right now? Jio. How Jio? It's a conglomerate organization, बहुत सारी services provide करती है, बहुत चीज़ें करती है, but कैसे? Is Jio very flexible on money? क्या वो आपको आपके पैसे की कीमत देती है? I don't think so. Most of the time the internet is not working. Initially when they were Reliance, when they were JioStar, now they are not. They have taken over Disney now, so it's JioStar now, I guess. So identify who the business serves. Can be mass market, niche segmented market, or multi-sided market. So for me, the best example would be Netflix. We target a wide range of customers from movie lovers to documents enthusiasts. Netflix is right now growing like huge. I don't know how many of you use Netflix, but most of the time Netflix is number one. Not in India, in abroad as well. Transition, value proposition. Value proposition के बारे में मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें बोली थी. And what you go for. Anybody else can tell me an example of value proposition. सबसे अच्छी value proposition किसकी है? I think highest selling phone है. Apple. कैसे है Apple की यार? कैसे है? Value proposition. ऐसा क्या वो करती है? Same design रहता है. This is 13. I think 14, 15, 16 का भी same design हुआ है. ऐसा क्या करती है? Sorry. हाँ. तो अब तो हम लोग 4 और 5 नहीं यूज करते ना, because it's a repeat model. कैसे करोगे वो यूज? Windows 98 मैं अब नहीं करती हूँ यूज. मैं अब Vistara करती हूँ या फिर there are so many other innovations that. So Apple has not worked on their designs, but their innovation, their cloud data storage is lens apart, best in class, top-notch quality. Apple का जो featuring plan है वो इतना अच्छा है कि आपको Samsung में नहीं मिलेगा, Realme में नहीं मिलेगा, XI, Xiaomi किसी में भी नहीं मिलेगा. Huawei is a $1 million company for telecom services. Even they won't provide this. So they provide you seamless user experience. कोई भी दिक्कत होती है आप कुछ भी सर्च करो iPhone में. मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं पता. I don't know how to use screening. So I had to screen my thing and send it to one of my clients. उसने मुझे भेजा, मैंने कुछ भी गूगल नहीं किया, फोन में स्क्रीनिंग लिखा और स्क्रीनिंग का मुझे पता चल गया how can do it. So that is a seamless user experience. Now we come to channels. Anything channels का मैं example दे चुकी हूँ. Amazon with mobile apps, website, laptop compatibility, iPad compatibility. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर ऐप बहुत अच्छे से खुले हर डिवाइस में जो हमारे पास हो. Then we have customer relationship. Best please use some global examples as well. India वाले तो आप लोगों को पता ही नहीं है तो आप global बताओ. Walmart, how do you? Direct sales. Walmart, Target, Tesla even they have direct sales services and online configurations. कोई भी दिक्कत है Walmart में, you don't have to go to their customer care. Everything is there. I don't know how many of you have visited US or Canada. They have punching machines. If there is a customer who is not happy, they can directly go there and just punch in your problems. Next we have revenue streams. Any example of revenue streams? मोबाइल में फोन में म्यूजिक ऐप्स यूज करते हो, स्पॉटिफाई, बिंगो, आईट्यून्स, एप्पल म्यूजिक 6 months की सब्सक्रिप्शन फ्री एप्पल म्यूजिक. Yes, I'm using a 6 months free subscription. I've not given anything, so I think your strategy is good. So subscription based music, songs, ये हमें subscriptions provide करते हैं. आप अगर अभी YouTube पे trial packages हैं कि 1 महीना will give you free. And then you can do even on LinkedIn. I don't know how many of you have LinkedIn profiles, but you should have them. LinkedIn also provide a 1-year subscription free and second subscription 50% off because the subscription is expensive. Everybody cannot afford. So they think about their customers, and that is the reason they're on the number 1. This is value proposition, revenue streams you've given. What are the key resources? Who is the best in key resources? Key resources कौन से होते हैं? Assets जो हमारे essentials होते हैं, infrastructure. कोई key essentials का भी दे दो यार example. बताओ. बहुत बड़ा एक ब्रांड है जो लैरी पेज और सर्गी गिल ने, you know who is the founder of Google, Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Google is an example. Google have key resources which include search algorithms, cloud infrastructure and user data, which helps you to subsidize your work and your businesses in a way manner. Google Maps सबसे बड़ा, सारे लोग यूज करते हैं. Though it has a lot of disadvantages, but every coin has the sides. कुछ चीज़ों में they are very good, कुछ चीज़ों में they are not, but they are giving the best transition right now. Last is key activities. Airbnb का मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिया था, ट्रस्ट बिल्डिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है. You can just go anywhere, wherever you are traveling. Bangkok, New York, Airbnb is available everywhere. So Airbnb is the most trustable brand. Oyo नहीं होगा आज because Oyo has a lot of disadvantages again. It's lagging with Airbnb. Competitors lag. Next is cost structure. The best cost structure किसका है अभी? Anybody can tell me the best cost structure that you have right now in place? Anyone? कोई बता दो. पीछे से head down क्लास चल रहा है, हो रही है क्या? बहुत boring था. The very innovative lecture. आप बताइए please. White shirt and red stripes. क्या पूछा था मैंने? Sorry? Amazon नहीं है यार. Amazon तो कमीशन लेता है अपने सेलर्स से अपना प्रोडक्ट डिस्प्ले करने के लिए. Sorry? Netflix तो देख चुकी हूँ. एक एग्जाम्पल 10 बार बताऊंगी क्या? Uber. The best ट्रांजैक्शनिंग. आप आईफोन से करोगे तो प्राइस ज़्यादा आएगा और फ़ोन से करोगे तो प्राइसेस कम आएंगे. ट्रांजैक्शनिंग है, पैसा कमा रही है कंपनी. Zepto है, Blinkit है. आईफोन से करोगे पैसे ज़्यादा आएंगे, टैक्सेस ज़्यादा लगेंगे. किसी और फ़ोन से करोगे तो मे बी नॉट. It's a money transaction. So this is how things work and this is how business module works. Business canvas structure is a very invaluable tool which will help your business grow and get heights. I work with healthcare firms like Pepper, Bayer. मेरे को भी बता देना है after my call. I'll meet you after this thing. I would love to meet this guy after my presentation. To share the knowledge कि मुझे वो कौन सी चीज़ें नहीं आती जो आपको आती हैं, आप अपने फ्रेंड को बता रहे हो. मुझे भी बताना है यार. मैंने भी टाइम निकाल के आप पे आई हूँ. फ्री में नहीं बुलाया आपके ऑफिस कॉलेज में. They have taken a lot of time of mine. So business canvas model is a very important tool, guys. आप लोग use करो and I would suggest you use for any business that you have, even a content creator business, influencing business. You can take things to wonders. We are using it currently. I charge a bomb to the companies to make their businesses work right, and you guys can also, in case you want to work for organization. In case you want to have a business, that's also a good strategy. This was the presentation that I had, though it was not a very communicative kind of a channel, but it was really good. So if you have any questions, any kind of modulation for jobs, please contact or let us know. Do you have anything? Haan, nah, maybe. Yes, no, maybe.
I'm just audible, I believe.
You all? I think I need a mic. बताओ. Ask me any question. You said yes, ना. बताओ कौन सा क्वेश्चन पूछना है? क्या समझ नहीं आता? इसके मार्क्स जुड़ेंगे तुम्हारे असेसमेंट में. +5. पूछो. वेट कर रही हूँ. पूछो.
नमन बोलो.
तो ये भी नहीं पता प्रेजेंटेशन किसकी थी. मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले पूछा था प्रेजेंटेशन किस चीज़ की चल रही है. It was really nice being here and understanding that there's no need to clap. I'm just ending my conclusion later. I've been into your booths as well. BBA करी है मैंने IIT University से. I've done my MBA from IIT. I've done my data science from 4 schools. So I have been a student. I'm still a student. So I know how students behave, but this was quite boring for us. Our BBA used to be very challenging. We used to do a lot of things. We used to understand things, make sure कि कुछ करके दिखाना. I think the content of your Snapchat and Reels is quite good. No problem, guys. It was really nice, and thank you so much. Hopefully, we meet in other lectures, and let's see how we can communicate further. Thank you so much.
On behalf of everyone here, we sincerely thank you for sharing your expertise with us. Your insights on the business cannabis model have given us a clear roadmap to develop and refine business strategies. Absolutely, we now have a practical framework that will help us plan, innovate, and succeed in our ventures. A huge round of applause for Ms. Yukti Mehra. A special thank you to our organizing team and everyone who joined us today. We hope you leave this session inspired and equipped to apply these learnings to your business idea. With that, we conclude today's session. Wishing you all success in your entrepreneurial and professional journeys. Thank you and have a great day. Now I would like to present the vote of thanks.
I hope this session was very insightful for all of you. Was so what all you have learned? Can you give me a glimpse of it? That's why I will ask. It was such an insightful session, and I believe this could be valuable to my students, and they will implement it in their. Thank you so much, ma'am.